Once prepared, the bamboo is carefully loaded onto transport trucks. Every bundle is secured, ensuring the raw material reaches the Agarbatti. After harvesting and preparation, the bamboo is transported safely to the manufacturing plant. Every shipment is tracked and inspected before entering the factory, ensuring only...
At the factory, every bamboo shipment undergoes quality inspection.
Only mature, straight bamboo is selected. Careful inspection ensures every incense stick begins with a strong and uniform base.
The harvested bamboo is cut into manageable sections using precision industrial cutting machines for the next manufacturing stage.
Each bamboo section is split into thin strips. Precision cutting reduces waste while producing perfectly straight material for incense stick production.
High-speed machines transform bamboo strips into thousands of smooth, uniform incense sticks with remarkable accuracy. Every bamboo stick is inspected. Damaged or uneven pieces are removed to maintain consistent product quality. The bamboo sticks are carefully dried to remove excess moisture. Proper drying prevents cracking and ensures smooth coating. The incense coating begins with carefully measured natural ingredients, including charcoal powder, wood powder, and jigat, a natural binder that gives strength to the coating. Every ingredient is finely processed and screened to produce an exceptionally smooth powder for a flawless incense coating. Inside the industrial mixer, the ingredients combine into a perfectly balanced incense paste. This smooth mixture will soon be coated onto every bamboo stick.
After thorough mixing, the incense paste reaches the perfect consistency. It is transferred directly into the automatic production machine. Under controlled pressure, the paste is evenly applied around every bamboo stick, creating a smooth and uniform incense coating. Automatic sensors continuously monitor coating thickness, ensuring every incense stick meets strict production standards. The freshly coated sticks are arranged carefully to prevent bending or damage before drying. Controlled drying removes moisture evenly, preventing cracks and giving the incense sticks their final strength. Once drying is complete, each batch is inspected to confirm the correct moisture level and structural strength. Advanced optical inspection systems remove defective sticks automatically, ensuring only premium quality products continue. While the incense sticks dry, fragrance experts prepare carefully balanced perfume blends that define each product's unique aroma. Finally, the dried incense sticks are immersed in premium fragrance. Every stick absorbs its signature scent before the curing stage. After complete immersion, excess fragrance drains back into the tank, ensuring every incense stick contains the perfect amount of aroma. The freshly scented incense sticks now enter the curing room, where the fragrance settles deep into the coating. Carefully controlled temperature and humidity allow the fragrance to mature evenly without damaging the incense coating.
Once curing is complete, every batch is carefully inspected for coating quality, fragrance absorption, and overall appearance. Sample incense sticks are tested for burning speed, smoke quality, ash stability, and fragrance performance.
Quality engineers verify that each incense stick burns evenly and produces a stable ash from beginning to end.
After passing quality inspection, the incense sticks are counted automatically into precise retail quantities.
After the incense boxes are packed, automated robots arrange them into master cartons, seal each carton, verify its weight and quality, then stack them onto pallets with perfect precision.
From advanced worldwide distribution, product follows a journey of care,
Reaching homes, each stick fills moments of with a lasting fragrance, completing its journey.